Sydney's not here again because yesterday she came here and we forgot to film a video because we were in the pool like the whole day, and my brother and some older people, like I think my babysitter went to go watch a Page game, and they came back and we ate pizza, and I forgot all about filming the video. And we said we were going to, but then we forgot. And oh yeah, and I got a new boot. So they took the cast off with a saw, which was very scary, and my legs started shaking and my face turned red. Anyways, they took it off and they put a boot on, which is pretty cool. And now I can walk on it and I don't have to use crutches anymore. But last night I was in the pool and I hit it on the side on my dad's head, and I think I shocked it because it really hurt. But it's still sore this morning. But I think it's okay, so. Oh yeah, this video, I'm gonna show you a tour of my room. Because the last tour of my room, I think that was like a couple months ago, and I just made some changes and I wanted to show you because it's kind of cool looking. It's not that cool again. Anyways, let's go. Probably gonna change it so that my camera's messed up right now. Alright, so no, we can't look over there yet. I have my shoes right here, and of course the chalkboard. A lot of people sign their names for no reason. Anyways, I moved my giraffe picture from my desk over to this wall. And then I have a little wood table here. I also changed my outlets to match like the thing others. Anyways, this cute little table with my fairy light controller and hand sanitizer chalk for the chocolate plant. And I did this all by myself, no help from my mom. Oh, well, I mean, she drove me to the store to get some stuff. But I ordered most of the stuff anyways. And then I have a sign that says "Just be kind" right here. And then, of course, I have Sparky. Name of Sparky. Hello. You're so fat. Anyways, there's Sparky. I think I'm gonna redo his sign. So I'm not full tinfoil. Anyways, my desk, I kind of neatened it up a little bit, and I got this huge horse picture. And I really like horses, so of course I have a horse picture above my desk. It's the size of me. So I have that. And then my fairy lights that go all around the top of my room. Also, I have some shelves over here with a picture of my painted picture of my dog. And some roses, you know, cooked elephant, fake candles. And then these pictures that are actually watercolor painted. There's one on the other side that's not the exact same, but it's still water. And then I have a beanbag over here, a little basket of stuffed animals. It's kind of like a little reading nook, like you can grab a book, sit down here with a stuffed animal. I don't know. I've done it many times when I'm bored. And then I have my fairy garden. I kind of moved all of it because, like, all that, yeah. And then just because my dog was like messing it up and all that, so I moved a lot of that stuff. And then my fairy sent me a letter. You can't read it. It's too hard to read. Anyways, this is my bed. Not any different from last time. And then I have this over here, which these are Instax photos. So that's my friend Claire with Sparky. Took a picture of the fire. Another picture of fire. Me and my brother on Christmas. My grandma on Christmas. This is also on Christmas. And I changed these out a lot. That was my dog when he was about to throw up, and I thought he looked like a reindeer, and it was Christmas time when I took this. I don't know. And this was also Christmas. Most of these things are Christmas. That was also near Christmas. So was this. This was like right before our family came, before Christmas. My stockings are actually up in this one. So yeah, apparently it it was Christmas and all those. I'm gonna change it pretty soon. Oh, also, I have, second, in these drawers, I have, let me go get the other one. I haven't filled these out like at all yet. I don't use my Instax camera too much. It's a mini, but I have, I have two booklets. I like this one better. I have one with like watercolor hearts. I filled out like some right here. And that one fill out. Oh, that was supposed to be of my hamsters, but my dad walked in and scared me, so I messed up the photo. And then I have a picture of my dog. But that one's barely filled out, and this one hasn't even gotten filled out one page. But this one just has, yeah. This one I got with my Instax. This one my mom got me. So I have both of those in my nightstand drawer. Also, you go to Canterbury, which probably no one watching this does, or maybe Sydney does. Anyways, we, in 3rd grade, we do this play called Snow White. We did this play called Snow White, and this is the script. I was the magical sassy meter, of course, because I'm very sassy. And we had to memorize these. We couldn't even look at them. And I had, let's see, how many lines did I have? I think I had 36 lines that I had to memorize in a month. And I actually did pretty well. We had to do it on Zoom though, because poor little COVID. Oh, do you know that like net that was over my bed? I took that down so you could see my roses better, and it was kind of annoying. But I think it looks a lot better now. Also, I kept these up because I really like them. They're really pretty. Those roses are one of my favorite things. Oh, they're so pretty. I don't know what else to show ya. Oh yeah, my brother scratched me right here. Oh yeah, in case you didn't notice, I moved Sparky from here over there. And the hamsters are in the playroom now because they need a lot of things at night. And then I moved some stuff that was on my desk. So my desk wouldn't be as cluttered over here. I think it helped a lot. Now I have some free space on my dresser, and I didn't have barely anything on there. I just had Sparky's cage, so it doesn't really matter what's on there. So I also cleared up my desk. Oh, if you don't know what specs are, okay, this isn't even about my room, but this might as well be like a vlog video. Not really, because I'm not cool enough to vlog. But yeah, if you don't know what specs are, they're like, just search up specs, S-P-E-K-S, and then magnets. They're actually really cool, and I ordered some, and they're really expensive, and I ordered some because I get a lot of anxiety, and they're really fun. I used to have some, but then me and my brother lost them. The good thing is they were in their container when they were lost, so my dog couldn't have gotten to them. If I lost them like one by one, they're 2.5 millimeter little magnet balls. Oh, that wouldn't have been good. So, yeah, that is my room. Okay, bye.